This isn't a museum. This is where fossils are found. Today, I wasn't just visiting a museum. I was standing where real fossils were found, still inside the ground. Not behind glass, not finished, just waiting to be discovered. At first, it didn't look like anything special. Just rocks, dry soil, and quiet tools moving slowly. But when I looked closer, I realized something important. This ground wasn't random. Every layer was a part of a much older story. Some bones were already visible. Others were still hidden, almost invisible to someone who doesn't know where to look. Excavation isn't fast. Scientists don't dig like treasure hunters. They move slowly, brushing, clearing, checking every detail. Because one wrong movement can break millions of years of history. Even the tools are small and precise. It's not about strength. It's about patience. The staff explained that fossils don't just appear. They form when layers of sediment slowly cover living things over time. Each layer is like a timestamp. Older layers sink deeper, while newer ones stay closer to the surface. By reading these layers, something called stratigraphy, scientists can understand how the environment changed long before humans exist. The ground becomes a timeline, written in stone. So finding a fossil isn't just about the bone itself. It's about where it sits, how deep it is, and what kind of rock surrounds it. That's how scientists know if a fossil is thousands or millions of years old. What looks quiet on the surface is actually full of information. Standing here made me realize something. Fossils aren't just objects from the past. They are messages that survived time. This wasn't just a dig site. It was a place where science meets patience. Next time you see a fossil in the museum, remember, before it becomes a display, it waited underground for millions of years. Real science starts here. See you next time!